So this is the first time I've had this car out in sort of, well, just over a year. I've just pulled it out of the shed, and all the oils seem fine, coolant seems clear. I changed the oil before I stored it. I haven't brought the fuel level up, the pressure level, but I can see, I'll see it pretty clearly when the fuel pump goes on. I was thinking about pulling the, actually I will, I'll pull the fuel pump fuse out, crank it a few times just to get up some oil pressure. Alright, let's see how we go. Fuel pump I can hear really clearly. Not showing much pressure at the pump, but that's okay. I checked the quality of the fuel. I put a fuel stabilizer in as well. Yeah, that definitely needs a bit more juice up at the front. So the fuel's not rancid. It's the stabilizer guarantees it for a year, and it smells pretty good. So, oh, I think that might be it. Yeah, we might be okay. Alright, let's see how many engine noises we get for the first initial startup. Definitely in neutral. Let's go. Straight over. Straight over. Fucking hell, it's like I started it yesterday. Oh, that's brilliant. Needs a bit of a clean. That's the thing with the 5 litre, absolute patriot, so reliable. It's been sitting there for more than 12 months. Didn't even struggle. I've obviously got oil pressure, otherwise I could hear it by now if I didn't. Yeah, happy with that. Oh yeah, no issues. We're going for a drive. We are going for a drive.